For number 17, we're asked to determine whether the two statements are equivalent. And I want you to notice there's something special about the antecedents of those two conditional statements. They actually are logically equivalent because applying De Morgan's law, the negation of P or Q, the disjunction of P or Q, if I apply De Morgan's law, I end up with a logically equivalent statement of negation P and negation of Q, which is what I have for the antecedent of the second conditional statement. So I know that if I were to make truth tables, the antecedent part of both of those conditional statements would be identical, as well as the rest of the conditional statement. Both of them are an if, and then their antecedent then are. So those two statements would be considered logically equivalent statements. If you wanted to form an entire truth table, you could, and the answer columns would be the same, but it's sufficient enough to show that the antecedents are logically equivalent, which makes those two statements equivalent since the rest of the statements are exactly the same.